Have you ever seen a flashlight stun gun or used a PepperBall? In this video, we will look at some illegal gadgets you can buy. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Folding Sickle. 2 sections of foldable size are easy to carry. Safety lock designed to avoid the sudden folding of the scythe when in use causing damage. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel. Not easy to rust, and durable black wooden handles. Not easy to fall off. Black collapsible side can be used for weed removal and lawn edging in the garden or in the field harvesting. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, which can cut many times and still has unparalleled sharpness. Its overall length is 370 millimeters. It is suitable for use in role-playing games or as a collector's weapon. You will be the most attractive presence in the role-play. Number 2. Spy Detector. Sophisticated German technology is used in the anti-spy detector embedded into the most recent upgraded chipset. It can offer artificial intelligence analysis, powerful interference, high sensitivity, a wide frequency detection range, and longer working hours. It can identify wireless audio bugs, GSM bugs, wiretaps, and other bug transmitters. It can also detect Wi-Fi IP and hidden miniature cameras. This signal detector can be used in offices, important business negotiations, confidential meetings, searching in bathrooms. It's surveillance, eavesdropping, and interception. You can use it anywhere you don't trust your surroundings. The newly upgraded advanced chip manufacturing technology, compact and light, convenient to travel. Long battery life, can work continuously for 8 to 10 hours. Standby for 7 days. No need to worry about battery replacement or frequent charging. It is a 4-in-1 bug sweeper for counter surveillance. It comes with good step-by-step instructions to help you get started quickly. Number 3. Taser Bolt. This is an energy weapon that is one of your newest self-defense gadgets. It can help you establish up to 15 feet of safety and provide up to 30 seconds of full lockup on an attacker. If this device is paired with the Axon Protect app, it can alert emergency dispatch when your device is fired. The design of this bolt is more discreet than having the profile of a firearm. It has a built-in safety cap and a flash-on/off selector. Number 4. Credit Card Skimmer Detector. Keeping criminals from using your credit card information has never been more challenging with the touch of a button. You can quickly scan for credit card skimmers with the portable Bluetooth skimmer detector. It is simple to use. Bluetooth scanning devices are great to use anywhere you shop with a debit or credit card. It's perfect for detecting skimmers at gas pumps, ATMs, or point-of-sale terminals. This scanner can only track Bluetooth skimmers. It is not effective against non-Bluetooth skimmers. This credit card skimmer detector is easy to operate. Before using your card at a terminal, point the detector near the card intake and push the button. After 6 seconds, you'll get a solid green light if the terminal is safe or a solid red light if it's been compromised. Number 5. WiPhone. This phone is a unique phone designed to enable hackers by making it easy to extend and modify the electronics and software. It uses Wi-Fi to make HD voice calls for free. This means there is no need for service contracts as long as you use them. It solves these problems and gives hackers the tool. It's easy to program the ESP32 processor. All the basics are already set up, including the user interface. Number 6. Voice-activated recorder. Turn on the power switch of the recorder. After the indicator light goes out, the recorder starts recording. Turn off the power switch. The recorder saves the file and shuts down. The recorder battery lasts about 24 hours when fully charged. The recorder can store about 100 hours of recording files. Built-in new generation DSP smart noise reduction chip. The recording quality is improved by 20%. A stainless steel necklace is included in the box, and the recorder can be used as a necklace. A keychain is included in the box, which can be used as a keychain decoration. Number 7. Flashlight Stun Gun. When used in self-defense, a stun gun delivers a painful micro-coulomb charge. The safety switch prevents unintentional discharge. The powerful 80-lumen torch makes it easier to discover door locks in the dark or locate necessities in a bag or handbag. A rechargeable battery enables several applications and power when required. The stun gun has a holster that can be placed easily and covertly in a handbag or belt loop for quick access. Number 8. PepperBall. This is the strongest and most intense pepper powder concentration. the most adaptable and potent non-lethal technology on the market. This is made to be employed faster and more safely than other force options. It's trusted by the U.S. Army and Marines and by numerous law enforcement organizations across the country. Number 9. Tactical Vest. This bulletproof vest, compact, low-profile, lightweight construction, flexible front and back soft panel design. It has a cut that permits body movement and comfort, allows the panel to contour to body shape. The waist and shoulder sizes of the costume vest might be altered. You may change the belt and shoulder straps to fit your body size and enjoy complete freedom of movement. It fits male sizes small to extra large. A versatile tactical vest for airsoft and paintball and cosplay games. 900D Oxford fabric has high quality and durability, can protect you from damage and provide you with better game protection. Number 10. Lie Detector. This is a home-use version of a real polygraph or lie detector portrayed on TV in every country. It's very simple to use. No prior experience is required. It's fantastic for parties or a small company. It's super easy to use. Computer does all the work. It's used by everyday people who want the truth. Used by police, private investigators, and professional polygraph examiners around the world. Artificial intelligence simulates an expert polygraph examiner to ensure properly executed exams. Number 11. Finger Grip Pepper Spray. This spray is potent enough to stop a determined attacker impaired by drugs or alcohol with 25 bursts. It delivered in a mighty stream from the nozzle to the target's eyes while reducing wind blowback. This pepper spray defends against a variety of dangers. The easiest finger grip improves aim and aids in maintaining focus on the threat. It has a quick-release key ring for quick access to the spray. 42% of crimes are committed by multiple assailants. This pepper spray protects against multiple threats with 25 bursts delivered in a powerful stream from the nozzle to the target's eyes while decreasing wind blowback. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.